Welcome back to Good Day Orlando. Time now is 9:13. New at 9, protecting your privacy online. Last month, Congress repealed the broadband privacy rules that block providers from collecting and selling your information. That includes your name, accounts, browsing history, pictures, basically everything you touch and surf on your electronics. So how can you keep your information safe? Tech expert Tom Jelneck in studio to talk more about this morning. Tom, always good to see you. Good morning.
Great to see you. And do you think anybody would notice if I took one of these monitors home? Because I have extreme monitor envy with these.
Do you really?
I love them. They're huge.
I don't know. Maybe Doug, our floor director, can help you out with that one. Tom, let me start with this. What's the difference between a browser and a search engine?
Sure. A great question. So, a search engine is something where you open your browser and you go to Google and you start searching, right? So there's a couple. There's Bing. There's Yahoo, obviously, is a search directory. So that's that. That's where you go to find stuff. A browser is actually the tool that you're opening, like Internet Explorer, which I joke and call it, Firefox, or even Chrome.
Okay, specifically, you mentioned DuckDuckGo as a search engine. How safe is that compared to Google or the other search engines?
So DuckDuckGo actually encrypts everything. It's got a really goofy name, but Google's a goofy name as well. But DuckDuckGo actually encrypts everything and allegedly does not store anything that you are searching for. So, if you're conscious about that, DuckDuckGo could be a good alternative to use as a search engine.
As opposed to Google, which might explain why things that I look for on shopping websites pop up on other sites I go to, right?
That's exactly correct. So Google is a marketer's dream, because anything you're searching for, I get to see and actually promote ads to you. So, you'll notice maybe some ads creep and follow you everywhere. Like if you go shopping on Amazon, for example,
yeah,
and then you go to Facebook, you'll see that Amazon ad for the product you were looking for. So using a safe encrypted search engine like that can actually prevent that type of access. Okay,
so we were talking about search engines. DuckDuckGo, as you have mentioned, allegedly kind of encrypts your searches. The browser Tor, what is Tor?
So Tor is a blessing and a curse, right? So Tor is a Firefox-like browser that you can download, and it opens you up to this very, very encrypted different portion of the web, right? You can still access a lot of stuff that you can normally, but the gig with Tor is it encrypts everything back and forth. So you can go on there. There's a very safe, secure search engine on there. The downside with Tor is it's kind of a gateway to the dark web. There's all kinds of insidious things that you can find behind the scenes there.
Okay, what else can people do to keep their information safe online? It does sort of seem like once you're on there, it's fair game.
It kind of is. So, if you really want to ultra geek this out, you can get what's called a VPN, a virtual private network. You can buy them, and basically what it does is it routes your traffic through this tunnel that's very secure. So I'd advise you to not go with free ones, because nothing's free in life, so they're probably selling your data as well. But, a paid virtual private network can keep you ultra safe.
Okay, Tom, great information. Where can people find you?
Sure, you can find me at tomjelneck.com or on targetwebsolutions.com.
All right, Tom, thank you.